I'm going to go over this Sleepmax mattress, and what this is the 14-inch version of the mattress. It does come in a full queen size and king size, so you can get it in pretty much all the sizes that you need, and you can get it in different widths. They have a 10-inch and I think a 12 and a 14. I went with the largest. This is the 14 Elite. I did just recently install all of this bed frame up here. This bed frame has lights built into it, and I recommend this frame. It has a kind of a padded cushion right here. It fit nicely. I've been wanting to upgrade my mattress, so I finally got around to getting another mattress. I decided to go with this one. And let me just kind of like break down what I had to do. So I got this in. It's got a little user manual here with it. This came in a box that you do have to very carefully cut the box, and they give you this little cutter right here. Use this. Do not use scissors or knife to cut the box and just cut the mattress out of the plastic. I just slid this little thing down and it just popped out here on the bed, and you do have to wait a few days. You can sleep on it, but it doesn't get to full capacity until about the third day. We are on day number 3 here, so everything's all filled out, the much as it's going to get anyway. Now let me just go over this mattress. So this first maybe 5 to 6 inches right here is a mini cell foam, and a memory cell foam is built in here. So it has a cooling property to it. Then you've got your coil springs down here. So it's a hybrid style mattress, and it's not got any type of fiberglass, no types of chemicals or anything. It doesn't have an odor. No odor to this thing. It is completely odorless right out of the box. Feels great just like this without even having a sheet on it. So if you're like a back sleeper or a side sleeper, a lot of times what I would do, I would sleep on my side and I'd get a pressure point in my shoulder right here. This is very soft. I went with a medium firm, and so you could jump up and down on this side and you don't feel anything on that side. So if you're with someone, you don't like disturb them during their sleep if you're moving around. So looking over what they recommend for the bed frames, I have this slotted one. That's what this one right here is. And they can also go on a platform style bed. So slotted platform, or I guess even the floor if you just want to toss it on the floor. You do not need a box springs with this, everybody. I've already been sleeping in this thing for the past 3 days. It feels great. My sleep has definitely got better in this thing. This is something I recommend for anyone that's just wanted to get a good, affordable mattress upgrade that can just come in a box in the mail and you install it. It is awesome. It was so easy to put this up and set everything up. I did it all by myself like it was nothing. There it is. That's all I got on the Sleepmax Elite mattress. See you all in the next video.